Hi everyone, myself Shivashankar Reddy. I am from SRAT Engineering College, ECE department. Now my topic is frequency dependence of polarization. Frequency dependence of polarization. Introduction to frequency dependence of polarization. Frequency dependence of polarization refers to the change in polarization as a function of the frequency of an electromagnetic wave. Polarization is the orientation of the electric field vector of an electromagnetic wave. Different materials exhibit different frequency dependence of polarization. Polarization basics. Polarization can be linear, spherical, or elliptical depending on the orientation of the electric field vector. Linear polarization occurs when the electric field oscillates in a single plane. Spherical polarization occurs when the electric field vector rotates in a circular motion. Dielectric polarization. Dielectric polarization is the most common type of polarization is material. Dielectric polarization occurs when the dielectric field of an electromagnetic wave causes the change in a material to separate, create a dipole moment. Dielectric polarization is frequency dependent, which different materials exhibiting different polarization response at different frequency. Displacement current. Displacement current is a phenomena that occurs in dielectric materials. It is a change in the dielectric field that produces an electric current, even in the absence of a physical current. Displacement current contributes to the frequency dependence of polarization in dielectric material. Ferromagnetic polarization. Ferromagnetic polarization exhibit a unique frequency dependence of polarization. Ferroelectric polarization can be switched by applying an external electric field. The frequency dependence of ferroelectric polarization is critical in applications such as memory device on sensors. Conductivity polarization. Conductive polarization occurs in conductive materials such as metals. It is caused by the displacement of free electrons in response to an electric field. Conductive polarization is relatively frequency independent as it is primarily determined by the conductivity of the material. Anisotropic materials. Anisotropic materials has different properties in different directions. Anisotropic materials exhibit frequency dependent polarization due to their unique crystal structures. The frequency dependence of polarization in anisotropic materials can be exploited in various technical applications. Optical activity. Optical activity is a phenomenon where the polarization of light rotates as it passes through certain materials. It occurs in sheet materials which lacks mirror symmetry. The rotation of polarization is dependent on the frequency of light and the structure of the chiral material. Applications of frequency dependence of polarization. Frequency dependence of polarization is utilized in various applications including technocommunication, optics and material science. It enables the design and development of devices such as polarizer, wave plates, and filters. Understanding frequency dependence of polarization is critical for optimizing the performance of this device. Conclusion: frequency dependence of polarization is a fundamental concept in electromagnetism. Different materials exhibit different frequency dependence of polarization due to their composition, structure, and properties. The study of frequency dependence of polarization has significant implications in various scientific and technical fields. Thank you.